Obesity is contagious. Let me explain. Imagine that this is you, and these are the people close to you in your life, and this line represents your baseline of health. The Framingham Heart Study found out if one becomes obese, the close friends, they have a 57% chance of getting obese as well. When one person changes their habits, it changes the idea of what is normal to all the others. But there's a flip side to this. If you can change habits for the worse and influence people close to you, then you can also change habits for the better and help them become their best version. That's what we are talking about. If this is the type of transformation that you want to experience, and as a result, positively elevate the health baseline of your loved ones, then you need to learn exactly what habits and what you need to transform in body, mind, and spirit. For that, I'm creating the Health and Body Summit, 3 days, bringing the best experts in the world in physical, mental, and spiritual health to teach you everything that you need to know. And it is for free. If you want to join me, just click on the button below to sign up, and I see you there.